Hey Mark, this is a demo video for you for your Starwalker hilt right here that you sent me off from a seller on Etsy. Pretty cool hilt, heavily inspired obviously by the Star Killer. I know you've got one because I installed it for you, but just a lot of differences on this one. It does have a see-through crystal chamber. There is no components for the crystal chamber, so I did everything myself. I did put a real quartz crystal in there that I fractured up for you for light refraction. I hand did all these 3 brass rods, so 2 of them are bent and actually going towards and touching the crystal, while the last one on the back side is just straight down. And then your mechanics mesh in here. You do have a red illuminated switch that will flash on and off when the blade is on, or the hilt is on, and then your activation button is up front here. And then your stock Neopixels. So I've already got a battery in this guy. We'll start with the outside so you can see everything, and then I'll open it up and show you what my install looks like. So activation, and you can see the cracks in the crystal show off really well. Then you can see your auxiliary switch blinking on and off. Your stock Neopixels in there. So if we wanted to change color, Spectrum. See, your crystal is changing color very nicely. I'll go back to red. There we go. So everything on there is working well. This guy right here is actually the one that's going to act as your blade retention. I've got it there. Just twist it in real quick. But that will be your blade retention, not this guy. This is actually helping hold the holder for the pixel pins in place. It's all one chassis, or it's a one-piece chassis. So from your speaker, your battery, your board, I modeled in the crystal chamber, and then there's a couple arms coming up to hold your pixel piece there in place. That's all one piece. So let's open this up. Now your pommel does not have a pommel cap. It didn't come with one. It is wide open there. So your 28mm bass speaker is just resonating right out the back end of this thing. Sounds really good. You've got your standard removable battery here, negative and then positive towards the speaker, and then you've got your board right here. Board is again not glued in, just a press fit. So when you go to pop this out to get to your card, when you go to pop it back in, the only thing I would suggest probably is to pop the side that has the yellow wire. That's a positive leading up to your pixel. But this yellow wire side needs to get popped into the chassis first, and then the other side. You want to make sure you do that because that solder joint that's right here, it needs to cover the clearance of the chassis and not be sticking out. You don't want it to hit this guy. I made them tight on purpose so that way you could swing them around and bang them around and it doesn't come out on you. But you know, the flip side of that is sometimes they need to be put in a certain way to make sure everything fits good. But anyway, that is your hilt. I hope you enjoy it. It was a nice fun build for me, something a little different. And I can get this out to you in the mail tomorrow. Thanks.